Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on SEI. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that SEI was trying to break out the resistance of a falling wedge pattern on the daily time frame chart. And this was my last video, by the way, that I shared almost 5 days ago with you. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that recently the price and is once again rejected by the resistance of this wedge. And I was telling you that there will be a probability that we may expect another bounce from this uptrend line support. And in case of breaking down this uptrend line support, there can be a probability that the price end may again test the support of the wedge somewhere here at this support of 41.6 cents. And you can see that the price line has bounced very well from this uptrend line support and again moving towards the resistance of this wedge. And if we take a look at the previous history of this uptrend line support, then you can see that when the price line was moving inside this previous falling wedge pattern, at that time, several times the price line had been testing this support here. And after this bounce, we had a very, very massive pump. Let me show you on the 7 days time frame chart. You can see that we had a very, very powerful rally. And by the way, from this low to this current high, you can see that SEI has rallied more than 1109%. And by the way, from this low, from here, up till the current high. Let me place a measurement tool from here up till the current high. Then you can see that so far it has rallied more than 1689%. And now recently it is stuck inside in another falling wedge pattern and now getting bounced from this uptrend line support. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to show you another very, very massive resistance that SCI needs to break out on this daily time frame chart. And that is the resistance of this Ichimoku bearish cloud. You can see that for the past several days, it is trying to break out the resistance of this Ichimoku bearish cloud, but could not break it out. And we will also analyze this resistance as well. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for SEI that I shared a few days ago on 25th of May, 2024 with my members. And this move or signal produced almost 12% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've already shared. Now, let me to take you first to my most recent trade signal for SEI that I shared a few days ago on 25th of May 2024 with my members, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern that SEI formed with Bitcoin pair on a daily time frame chart. And this was the complete trade setup. This was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line started a very nice reversal from this buying zone and read the sell target zone here. And this was almost 12% pump only on this daily time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of SEI. And this is the daily time frame chart. And you can see that previously it was moving inside this falling wedge pattern. And after the breakout, we had a very, very massive rally. And by the way, during this rally, the price line also broke out this very, very massive resistance of Ichimoku, bearish cloud as well. And during this rally, you can see that the cloud was also turning into a bullish cloud, and it has been working as a very nice support for several days. And finally, we broke it down, and now the cloud is again turned into bearish cloud, and it is again stuck inside in another falling wedge pattern. By the way, this falling wedge pattern is considered as a bullish path pattern. Therefore, there are more chances for the breakout rather than breaking down the support of this wedge. At the same time, we also have this quite long-term uptrend line support as well. That was previously breaking as support here for several days. And now again, the price line has bounced very well from this support. And now the movement is getting squeezed between this uptrend line support and the resistance of the falling wedge pattern. In case of breaking down this uptrend line support, it can again test the support of the falling wedge pattern somewhere here, approximately at 41.6 cents that had been previously working as a support here and as a resistance here. And again, it can work as a very, very nice support. And this time, if the price line will break out the resistance of the wedge, at the same time it can, or after that, it can also break out this very long-term and very, very massive resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. And again, this Ichimoku bearish cloud can be flipped into a nice and strong and long-term support Like previously, it was flipped into a nice and very, very long-term support for the price line of SEI. By the way, in case of breaking out the resistance of this falling wedge pattern, the target to the upside will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately at $1.20. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.